This video exploded, but it exposed how little I knew about YouTube's broken monetization system. So how much did YouTube pay me for these 1 million views? What are the big monetization mistakes that I've made? And what is this stupid Google AdSense trap that you should avoid at all costs? Let me explain. I uploaded this video not knowing what I know now. It quickly exploded, 1 million impressions after its first month and over 1 million views within a year. But I started earning revenue only 2 months after the video was uploaded. I lost out on this monetization because of a big mistake that nobody warned me about. By then the video already got over 285,000 views on a video with an RPM of €5. That's about 1,500 euros thrown away. I said a lot of money. No, at least not to me after doing over 5 million euros in revenue. But it's still a day of rental for a Lamborghini for the gurus on Instagram. Jokes aside, it's still waste. I don't like waste, I hate it. Maybe because I've lost hundreds of thousands of euros in my business after hiring 50 people. And a lot of mistakes because I was ignorant and unaware at the time. Anyways, I digress. Here's what YouTube paid me for 1.2 million views. Only $1,000. Yeah, to put that into perspective, take a look at this video with only 4,000 views. Not my video, by the way. But if you wonder, how on earth can 4 videos like this make the same amount of money as a 1.2 million views video? I mean, look at them. This video made almost the same amount of money while only getting 5 subscribers. It's crazy to me. So comment the word monetization below and I will send you the niche that this video was uploaded in and 4 other niches with RPMs exactly like this. And if you wonder, I share this because I've made 3 stupid mistakes. One of them has to do with a low RPM on my video. That's why it earned so little. Another had to do with this, with getting over 40% from YouTube search traffic and a lot of search traffic. And the last mistake had to do with Google AdSense, aka the broken system of YouTube. Again, comment the word monetization below and I will send you all of the details, the mistakes, the niches, etc. It's free, just like my free thumbnail templates to create thumbnails like this, this, and this in minutes, entirely for free. It helped me get videos like this with an 8.3% click-through rate on 10 million impressions. But that set aside, one of the YouTube money lessons that I learned is this. You can be a genius in content, but a baby in monetization and Google AdSense structures. And YouTube doesn't care. It will pay you like a baby. But if there's one YouTube setting that I wish someone also warned me about, it is this setting. I lost a lot of views and money by not knowing it sooner. I talk about it in this video. Watch it here or not. Talk soon.